Hi you guys, how are you all? Welcome back to our channel. So guys, in today's video, I will be talking about the benefits of using olive oil for your hair and also for your skin. So the olive oil which I'm going to be talking about in today's video is from Disano and it is working very nicely for me. So I thought that I will share my routine with you guys, how I use it in order to have healthy hair, how it has helped me to grow my eyelashes and my eyebrows as well. I'm gonna tell you a couple of very beneficial things for you guys. So without further ado, we are quickly gonna be diving in the video, guys. So olive oil is a fairly nutritious oil. Apart from fatty acid it contains, it also has vitamin E and vitamin K. It contains powerful antioxidant, guys, and there was a study in 2010 which proved that it helps in nourishing hair follicle, thus increasing the life of each hair. So guys, the first use is going to be using it normally as a hair oil. So you can make a mask or just take some olive oil, massage it into your hair, leave for 30 minutes to 2 hours depending upon your preference. I usually leave it overnight, and in the morning I just shampoo my hair. It really helps in strengthening my hair, and over the period of time it has really helps in reducing the hair fall. And guys, next up you can use it on your eyebrows and on your lashes. And if you use it for 1 month, you will be able to see significant difference in the growth of your eyelashes and also your eyebrows. It is loaded with vitamin E, which is very essential in hair growth. It helps in nourishing the follicle. Also, if you're someone who applies mascara and your lashes are falling a lot, it is going to be very beneficial in strengthening them up. So guys, the next up is gonna be using it as a hair mask. Just take 2 capsules of vitamin E, add it into the oil and apply this oil in your hair. It is going to be very beneficial. Yes, olive oil already has a lot of antioxidant, antimicrobial properties, and it also has vitamin E, but adding this is going to make it even more better. So try it out for yourself and then let me know how it works for you. It has worked very nicely for me. Now guys, if you apply any oil in your hair and if you heat it up, it says that it helps in making the absorption better. Now do not directly heat it, just heat it indirectly and apply it in your hair. It is going to open up the follicles and the absorption become better, so you get better results from your hair mask. Now guys, this olive oil and vitamin E mask, whenever I leave it in my hair, I make sure that I use turban method. Turban method is very simple. Whenever you apply this oil or any kind of mask in your hair, just cover it up and leave it for some time and then wash it off. And the last use is going to be using olive oil as a spray. Now just take a little bit of water, add olive oil in that, and if you have frizzy hair or if you have brittle dry hair, it is gonna work as an excellent leave-in conditioner. Just whenever you wash your hair, spray in your hair and you're good to go. It is definitely gonna strengthen your hair, make them shiny, smoother and silkier for sure. So guys, these were all the benefits I wanted to talk about. I really hope that you guys liked the video. I will make sure that I give Disano's olive oil a link in the description box below, guys. Just go and check it out for yourself. There are lots and lots of benefits of using olive oil, even for your body, for your hair, for your skin. You can even use it as a makeup remover. I sometimes even use this as my makeup remover, guys. And this was all. I really hope that you find the video helpful. If you do, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you guys so much.